Welcome to the third video on Assignments Pro, and in the past videos we've created an assignment and uploaded one of them as a student. What we're going to do now is pick that up and grade the submitted assignment. So to do that, we head to Submissions here, and we can see that we have one submitted assignment. But first we'll look through some of the options we have here. We can filter assignments by the courses they were submitted via, which groups they were in, and a few other things here, so like which assignment it was and the submission ID. So if I just wanted to change that to only show submissions from this one particular course, I can filter it by that, and that would change. Assignments Pro gives the concept of claiming submitted assignments to mark them. So before grading an assignment, delegated members of your platform would claim them first to prevent multiple people trying to mark the same assignments at once. So if you had 50 assignments here, different people on your platform could claim those and mark them, and there'd be no overlap, because once someone's claimed them, no one else would be able to see them in this unclaimed tab. So the tab we're on here is called unclaimed because it's listing all of the uploaded assignments that have not yet been claimed by the people who grade them. So I'm going to claim that now. And what we see is that now comes over to the claimed tab, and that has now been claimed by me. If I head back to the unclaimed tab, there's nothing in there now because I have claimed it. And any other graders who log in at this point in time would see the same because the uploaded assignment has been claimed by me. Once we have claimed the assignment, what we can do is either grade it or unclaim it. So if for any reason you then didn't want to mark this one or grade this one, what you can do is click unclaim, and then that goes back into the unclaimed pool for other people to be able to pick up. I'm going to reclaim that and then going to grade it. And we can see that we've got the assignment that this relates to, the user, what date it was submitted, what course it was submitted from. And we can see details about the submission. So we can see the files that were submitted, as well as the comments that the learner added when they uploaded it. We have the option to re-release this to the learner. So if we felt that the learner was missing some content from their submission, we don't necessarily have to grade it straight away. What we can do is reopen that submission for the learner to edit. And if we did this, the submission would revert to an unsubmitted state, and the learner would then be able to make changes and resubmit it. If you recall, when we created the assignment, we gave it a custom scale of A, B, C, D, E, and that's what's represented here. So the grade options we're allowed to choose from are from the ones that we set. So I'm going to give this a grade of B and give some written feedback to say, well done, this was a great attempt. As a grader, we can also upload our own feedback, and we can select files from our computer, and then once we click grade assignment, and we find that that is now graded, and we can see the grade we gave, the feedback we gave, and any feedback attachments that we uploaded. If I head back to the submissions tab here, we can see that there's nothing now in unclaimed. There's also nothing in claimed because this has now been graded. That submission now appears within the graded tab, where we can see the full submission along with the date it was graded, the grade that was given, and we can review that here and see the information that relates to that graded submission. While I'm in here, I'm just going to go in as that user, so I'm just going to switch to it. These are fictitious users here, so I'm just going to log in as the learner that I created that one with, and I'm going to go to continue study, and what we can see here is that a tutor has upgraded your assignment. Please see the details below. We set that when we created the assignment, this line of text here. And we can see the grade that was given, feedback from the tutor and what date, and we can see any feedback attachments that the tutor has given. So I hope you find this Getting Started guide useful, and hopefully it gives you all the information you need to get started creating assignments. If you have any questions, what you can do is head to the Get Help part of the plugin here, where you will find some common troubleshooting statistics here, which you might be able to send to us if you have any issues. But contact us or visit the knowledge base for help using this plugin.